What's up, Circuit Patriots? So, literally, it was just looking like it was gonna kill you out here, and then as soon as I hit the camera, boom, it stopped. But, yeah, she's kicking up a notch. She has definitely kicked up a notch in the past hour. It's about to hit landfall in about another hour and a half, guys. This Hurricane Ian will hit landfall in about another hour and a half. So, we're still in the beginning of it. Someone just called me and they're like, it's almost over. I'm like, it hasn't even started yet. What do you mean, buddy? This is just the beginning of this whole hurricane. So yeah, like I said, I'm gonna try to go live at 2 o'clock. Try to go live at 2 o'clock. Sounds fucking awesome. Man, I hold that power pole up right now. So. Woo! Come on, baby. I want to stick my phone out there, but I'll blow out of my hand probably. So I come out here earlier and I was making a video and I shut it off and deleted it because I had to run out on the sidewalk. There's just some young black kid walking down the road. I'm like, bro, don't you know we're in a hurricane? He's like, oh, that's started? I'm like, yeah. He's like, I'm just trying to go to Wawa, I'm hungry. I'm like, man, ain't nothing open till Friday, bro. This whole town's shut down. Yeah. That's the sky saying, fuck you. Oh, there's nothing left of that little spindly tree over there, is there? That poor guy's seen better days.